Troubleshooting NovaSeq 6000 flow cell loading issues. Today we show you best practices when loading a flow cell on the NovaSeq 6000 and how to resolve flow cell loading issues. Before loading the flow cell, inspect the flow cell in good lighting to identify debris or small glass pieces. Clean the bottom of the flow cell with an alcohol wipe. Make sure to clean only the glass surface. Remove the residual alcohol with a dry, lint-free tissue. Once the flow cell is clean, visually inspect the flow cell stage. Inspect the grooves, the vacuum holes, and the manifolds for debris or small glass pieces. If no debris is present, clean the entire flow cell stage with an alcohol wipe, including the flow cell loading position, the manifolds, and the flow cell clamp. Remove the residual alcohol with a dry, lint-free tissue. If you identify debris or small glass pieces, remove the debris by blotting the flow cell stage with an alcohol wipe. After blotting, visually inspect the flow cell stage again to make sure all debris is removed. If you are encountering one of the following messages: the flow cell clamp is unable to engage, load or reseat the flow cell. The flow cell vacuum is unable to engage, load or reseat the flow cell. Consumable loading problem, or unable to read RFID, acknowledge the error message and unload the flow cell. If you haven't already, clean the flow cell and the flow cell stage with a new alcohol wipe and a new dry, lint-free tissue. Reload the flow cell and start the pre-run check again. If the issue persists, load a wash flow cell. If the wash flow cell is being recognized by the instrument, load a new flow cell. To get the original flow cell replaced, contact technical support. If the wash flow cell is not being recognized, power cycle the instrument.